Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Fundiza. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Fundiza is a registered online trading broker with offshore regulations that offers flexible accounts and tight spreads on hundreds of Forex pairs, commodities, indices, and shares. Fundiza's accounts are primarily designed for professional traders, and this broker offers a one-on-one trading academy, private trading sessions, and VIP services. As a client, you will get access to a powerful proprietary trading platform, 24-hour customer support, and a personal account manager. This broker is based in St. Vincent and the Grenadines and accepts clients from most countries except for the USA, Iran, Syria, and North Korea. Fundiza offers over 500 major, minor, and exotic Forex pairs, precious metals, commodities, indices, and shares. You can also buy gold, silver, and copper at competitive rates and trade a variety of energies and agricultural products commission-free. Shares and indices can be traded 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and there are over 300 shares and 40 major indices that you can trade with Fundiza. In general, your trades can be leveraged by up to 1 to 400 when trading with this broker. However, if you do plan on trading with margin, please remember that you will not only be exposing yourself to better market opportunities, but also far greater financial risks. So be sure to use margin responsibly and only within the limits of your budget. To view detailed contract specifications and find out more about the instruments you can trade with Fundiza, hover your cursor over the Trading Info tab and click on Our Conditions. If you require any assistance, you can reach the Fundiza customer support team via live chat, email, or telephonically, and you will find direct contact details on the Get Assistance page. Before you contact customer support, we would recommend visiting their FAQ pages for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. If you require any assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the support team at any time. Fundiza provides a user-friendly, sophisticated website with a simplistic design that makes it easy to navigate. On the homepage, you will find more information about the instruments you can trade and the advantages of being a client. At the bottom of the homepage, you will find direct links to legal documentation, policies, as well as terms and conditions. We always recommend reading through the terms and conditions before you make your first official deposit, if you do decide to join any broker. As a client, you can use the proprietary Fundiza Trader trading platform and mobile application. The multi-asset desktop platform comes with a great selection of technical analysis tools, market depth data, and charting functionality. It supports all types of orders, and you will not be limited to only one execution mode when using this platform. This platform can be downloaded for free and is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac. You can also use the Fundiza Trader mobile application to trade directly from your phone. This application is also available as a web trader version and can be used on smartphones and tablets. It comes with more than 35 pre-installed indicators, over 40 graphical objects, market depth information, and a multi-currency tester tool. Charts can be viewed in more than 21 timeframes, and tick chart trading is supported. To learn more about the features of Fundiza Trader, click on the Platform tab for a full list of features and direct download links. There are 5 types of accounts that you can open with Fundiza. There is no indication whether Fundiza offers swap-free accounts or demo accounts at the time of doing this review, as there is no mention of either account type listed on the website. All of their accounts have access to a personal account manager. The rookie and basic accounts have floating spreads, and the elite, elite plus, and VIP accounts have fixed spreads. The rookie account requires a minimum deposit of at least $5,000 and is an entry-level account. If you want access to premium trading signals, you can upgrade to a basic account. However, this account comes with a minimum deposit of $25,000. The Elite, Elite Plus and VIP accounts will give you access to premium signals, daily signals, private access to their one-on-one trading academy, and private trading sessions. But the minimum deposits required to use these accounts are much higher. These accounts are eligible for generous discounts on commission fees and have fixed spreads. The VIP account offers all the same features as the other accounts, however you'll get invites to exclusive events and have access to a great selection of video courses as a VIP client. These accounts are not recommended for beginners because of the high minimum deposit requirements. In order to learn more about the accounts and trading conditions Fundiza offers, hover your cursor over the Trading Info tab and head over to the Account Types page. Creating an account with Fundiza will only take a few minutes. You can follow a few simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the Fundiza homepage, and then click on the Get Started button. What you'll want to do next is complete their online application form, verify your account and email address, and then you can log in to their client portal. Live accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or withdrawal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. However, after that is done, you will have full access to all the account features. A minimum deposit of $5,000 is required to open an account with Fundiza, and your account can be funded using Visa or MasterCard, Skrill, and Netella. Deposit and withdrawal fees will depend on the payment method you choose, the country you live in, and the value of your transaction. You can make a withdrawal using any of the supported deposit methods. As a trader or investor, having access to educational resources, research material, and economic data is a key factor of success. Fundiza offers private tutoring, one-on-one trading education, exclusive signals, and more. However, you will first need to open an account before these features can be unlocked. Overall, Fundiza offers hundreds of tradable instruments and flexible accounts. Some of the perks of trading with this broker are commission-free trading on shares, exclusive trading signals, and VIP services. As a client, you will be able to use Fundiza's proprietary trading platform, and you will have a personal account manager to assist you along every step of your trading journey. Fundiza offers competitive trading conditions and seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is always done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks, and online markets are volatile. So be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of Fundiza. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.